Turn away from those siren sounds. They sing so softly and sweet, but will run your ship aground. They are tempting little nymphs, and they have sunk plenty of very good, strong ships. Turn away from those siren sounds. Their goal is to make you drown in debt or lust or greed. That is their unholy seed. Turn away from those siren sounds. They use your empathy and compassion to make you drown. This is a tale of woe. They're trying to steal your heart, mind, and soul. Turn away from those siren sounds. They rob, kill, and destroy to run you aground. Turn away from those siren sounds before they consume you and you drown. Turn away from sin. This is what happens when God lives within. As with Stephen, God lives within.